cooking longanisa for snack or dinner. May dahon. It's windy today. Whoa. Ooh. Windy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the, whoa. Look at the leaves. Whoa. Look at the shoreline. I just cleaned last weekend. Now there's a lot again of those leaves. My blue jay is there. Those are my pets. Every time I come here, you know, they call me. They call me quack quack. Oh wow. The falling leaves drift by the windows. The sunburned and I used to know. Look at the wave. Very windy. It's a windy afternoon. Saturday afternoon. Whew. Too bad the water is cold. It's nice to go swimming. But that's it. No more swimming in the lake. It's cold. Look at that. I'm blowing the leaves, but you know, it's let's check our longanisa. Wow. Our longanisa. Then I'm gonna cook shrimps with pasta. After this, I'm gonna cook shrimps. I already cooked a hot dog. Whoa, look at the leaves blowing back. Whoa, oh man, oh man. Look at the wind, it's windy. It was raining before, now it's windy. This one I have to pick it up. Depends the weather. Maybe later or maybe tomorrow. Oh, I don't know. I have to put this somewhere else. They don't come and they don't see it. See, I'm blowing the leaves and keeps them coming back. Well, I hope the wind stop and lie down. My flower's still nice. I have to plant more this kind of hydrangea because they last long. Okie doke. It's ready. It's ready, my longanisa. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Medyo brown na. I think it's done. This one. Yeah. I think it's good. Ayan, pwede na. Lagay na natin ang longanisa doon. Ayan. Filipino food. Ayan. Eto. Okay, folks. It's ready. I'm gonna cook shrimps with pasta. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make a salad for later. I'm just gonna put some parsley, Italian parsley, and the curly parsley. And well, I never seen this before. I bought it yesterday at the farmer's market. And the onion. Okay, everyone. Before I cook these shrimps, it's still beautiful afternoon. It's like 4:15 in the afternoon. It's Saturday at the cottage. Okay, simple cooking. I think it's too high. Okay. Burn, no. There. Butter. Smell good. Garlic. Whoa. Smells so good. Okay. I use butter today because I don't have olive oil, so I already put the garlic, and I'm gonna put my shrimps. This is I marinated with garlic powder, black pepper, and a little salt. Okay, doke. There you go. It's a simple recipe. It's not oil. It's not olive oil. I put butter. And this is quick recipe. Okay, we have to wait until the shrimps turns into orange, the color. That means it's ready when it's orange. When it turns orange, the color, then it's ready. Don't overcook the shrimps because it doesn't taste good. Ooh, it's windy. It's still windy. More leaves coming down. That's why they called fall. It's fall. It's still windy and wavy. Our other island is dancing. Next week we have to put away. And look at the leaves. That's a birch tree. Look, this is a birch tree. They're very nice trees, but it's messy. But it's okay. Okie doke. We have to check our shrimps before it's gets overcooked. It's almost done. Almost done. We have to taste. I just when I cook, I just taste like this. Wow, very good. Very good. Whoa. It's so windy. Then I'm gonna boil some a little pasta, and then I have to mix with my shrimps. And that's our dinner for tonight. There's some longanisa, but I don't know if we're gonna eat them. Maybe one longanisa or whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go in the lake. Don't go in the lake. You're not allowed to go in the lake. We have to pick up the... Okay guys, we have to put in here because we have to... Whoa. Whoa. Okay, look. We're just gonna use fusilli. Okay, the water is boiling. I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. I don't wanna make too much pasta. Okay guys, we have to wait. We have to wait a bit till it gets into a boiling point again. Okay, well, while waiting for that, we're just gonna continue picking up the leaves, you know, so like less work for tomorrow, so maybe I have more time to relax tomorrow. And then we're gonna dump this. Okay guys, I have to dump this somewhere there. Okay doke. Okay everyone, our pasta is ready. We're just gonna drain. Oh, okay doke. There. It's ready. It's ready. We're just gonna drain and put it back. Whoa. And then we have to put our shrimps. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay guys, it's a simple, delicious, quick recipe. Garlic shrimps with garlic and butter with fusilli pasta. Okay folks, that's it for tonight. No, it's still afternoon. This is for dinner for tonight. There, that's it. Turn it off. We're done. Bon appetit. With white wine. It's good. So, okay folks, I'm just gonna finish my job in there. It's almost done, and my blue jay still there. My favorite bird for now. Okie doke. Okay, summer is over. No more fun. It's empty. Put away things before the snow comes. We have to cover that with a tarp. And that's it. I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go check the. Look at the sky. So nice. Okay. I finished blowing the leaves. Look at that. Whoa. Too much work. Come and help me, guys. I blow the leaves today here. But I have to pick it up. Tomorrow I hope doesn't rain. Okay. Look at that. Too much leaves. I'm not done here because it's windy. So the leaves are like it's blowing away. So we better do it when it's not windy. And we have to go and sit. I don't know, the sunset. We'll see the sunset. Whoa. I don't know, the sunset is covered with the dark clouds. And the guys yesterday, I think the same boat, the same guys, they're fishing again. And then we have to sit and relax here. I already finished cooking, blowing the leaves. It's a lot of work, but it's okay. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy doing all the hard work. It doesn't bother me. The sunset, I don't know. Well, it's not really showing. Oh, the sunset is coming out. Look at the rays. It's so nice. I did not wear my sunglasses. It's very bright. Look at the water. It's very clean. It's clear. That's why you call this lake Big Clear Lake. It's a clean, clear lake. Whoa, look at the sunset. Whoa, look at that. It's so nice. What is that? X? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. The sunset is out. Pretty, pretty. Wee. Okay, good night everyone. Look at the clouds. Whoa. It's so pretty. Let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Until the next video. Until the next video tomorrow. Please like and subscribe my channel, Dishang. Good night, goodbye, and good night.